Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Ananda Dede, Assistant Professor in Zoology, Devadi College, Devadi. We have discussed in topic PCR. First of all, what is meant by PCR? The long form of PCR is polymerase chain reaction, and it is also called as molecular phototyping. PCR is discovered by Carey Mullis, 1983. These are the scientists who have studied or experimental study in PCR machine and then developed and then also form different fragments of DNA molecule from old DNA. Here the objective of the PCR, first of all, definition of PCR. Second, steps include in the PCR, how can develop the PCR and also how can develop in DNA molecule, new DNA molecule, and also application of PCR technique. See, first of all, definition of PCR means multiple copies of DNA from parent DNA molecule as well as old DNA molecule. Here, multiple copies means million or billions copy, DNA copy are formed in the PCR machine. According to this PCR technique, there are different steps. Here, first of all, denaturation. Suppose strands of DNA 5' to 3', and 3' to 5'. Here, double-stranded DNA molecule you can see, and then denaturation. First of all, select the amplified region of the parent DNA molecule. Here, amplified region we can select to the strand, because which region can be amplified or to multiple copies of DNA molecule. Here, denaturation. In 94 degrees centigrade. Here, double stranded structure of DNA. And then denaturation, strand will be separate. Strand will be separate. Strand will be separate. And then amplified region can be seen to the strand. Another step to the annuli means in 54 degrees centigrade, annuli means primer is attached to the 3' end. Primer is attached to the 3' end, means primer first and primer second. Here, primer means short DNA sequence can be attached to the 3' end. 3' end is free. These are the attachment to the primer. These are the process of annealing. Annealing means primer can be attached to the 3' end or target to the 3' end, and then in 54 degrees centigrade. Another step is extension in 72 degrees centigrade. Here, primer can be extended towards the 5' end, and both primers are extended towards the 5' end because these are the polymerase enzyme can be expressed to the formation of new strand. Here, after extension, there are two different strands can be formed during the PCR technique. According to the extension in 72 degrees centigrade, there are two strands are formed newly according to the old strand. Here, first cycle that can be formed to the two strand, and then second cycle, these are the continuous cycle, can be seen to the PCR machine or PCR technique. According to the denaturation, denaturation means breakdown to the double-stranded DNA structure to the according to 94 degrees centigrade. Amplified region means these are the two sites which region can be amplified to the PCR technique. You can select, and then denaturation process can be formed to the PCR machine, and then stand will be separate, and then second step annealing means these are the 54 degrees centigrade. Then two strands are separate, and then primer can be attached to the three-part end of the both strand. Here primer that can be extended according to the polymerase enzyme, tagged DNA polymerase enzyme, and then extension can be seen 72 degrees centigrade means primer can be extended and stand will be formed, single stand will be formed to the old parent DNA molecule. And these are the process, means PCR means these are the multiple copies of DNA from parent DNA or old DNA molecule. Here millions or billions copies are formed to the PCR machine that can be formed to the all DNA strand to the amplified region can be selected towards the DNA molecule. According to the PCR technique, there are different methods or different types of PCR, reverse PCR, T-PCR. These are the different PCR can be seen to the PCR machine. And end of the first PCR cycle, these are the two strands will be developed according to the PCR machine or PCR technique. Here first primer and second primer means these are the two strands will be developed according to the PCR machine or PCR technique. Here application of PCR, it is useful for the forensic lab or forensic technique, and then also medicinal uses. Genetic material can be identified, and also criminals in criminal cases that can be DNA fingerprinting can be found to the criminal cases. These are the useful for the PCR technique, as well as RT-PCR, RT-PCR, reverse transcriptase PCR can be also found to the any viral infection, because these are the coronavirus that can be detected. RT-PCR, reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction can be detected also viral infection. Here these are the PCR means polymerase chain reaction, and then molecular phototyping means multiple copies of DNA molecule are formed during the PCR technique. Okay, thank you.